hit, open, hit. And this
Gaat het niet om jou hier? Zo even twee pets even pakken.
Ja, goed zo. So, offline, right, we just did. But you can also see it as a brutal attachment or strike, right? So I want to train that, because what I often see as soon as we bring this to a transition on partner, people start to grab again. No, everything in combat is painful. So most likely you need a base of 2 flats for that. Good energy. So we slap out, comes back. What I now want to do now, see if I can hit more with that piece. Offline hammer fist is what we just did. Let's see if you can use the whole tool now. What can I use this tool for? An attachment. But look, if I want to target the neck, I can smack this open and then, for example, boom, elbow dash. I'm opening up. Right? That's what you want to use it for. Officially, this comes from karate, because now it's a block, commercialized, but it was hit, open, hit. Very combative, right? So you simulate that first, and really push and protect the face, stay away. So she's presenting side of the neck, side of the face a bit. I'm going to do that first. What I'm doing, I am shooting an arrow. So if you want to make this a bit more efficient, believe it or not, pull this back, slip it off, and back, and now the back foot comes into play. What you see, my whole skeleton structure is behind it. Not only arm, but as soon as I have target, I want to be in line with the shoulder. Get it? That. And this can be more done in a chin lifting manner. Closer. Closer range. So this is how you open up and then boom, attack. Get it? Play with this concept?
Yes.
Let's go. So, side pinch.
Yep.
Opening up under the chin. Strike in the face. Same shit. Same tool. Right? You have to target. So what I want you to understand is this dynamic. So pull it. Get used to that snappiness. Drive off the back foot and then smash it in. So really drive the tucking part of the bone in. And this, people say, yeah, it doesn't work, but bullshit. It also works from this position. Let's say I was given a slap. No. Somebody crashes in. Boom. What I have now is the same principle that you cannot see, but my arm is now collapsed. What I can do right now is the same principle I just explained you, by that. Now you strike. If it ends up higher, boom. Now I can lift that chin up to that boom, strike. Makes sense? Just a prying tool, if that makes sense. Get it? Now, if you have distance, let's say I'm in a compromised base like this, look the beauty in this. I can do that, or I can reinforce this and use that strike. Push, strike, and attack, and reinforced elbow. Come back. So really from this position, get yourself out of shit position. The stronger individual crushes me in, and I ended up here. Look, maybe I can do that. And then maybe work with the head. So, and if it's working for me, then I can get an impact. Now again, go to extreme close quarter two. See, this is a good thing. Hard clinch, strike, reinforced upline hammer fist, lifting the chin, etc. I think there will be more clinch dynamic and I would crush you down, maybe she can use destruction not to strike, but to push. But if he does it more combative, look, lift up my chin. Fine. And it opens up target for, boom, exactly, elbow without me explaining it. So if I push her very hard in this compromised position, she has at least something to work and build a frame from. So it's a tool, right? If I never taught you this, and you only understood hands down, one arm, don't dig it in, don't cheat, work. See the struggle? Now reinforce it again. But why would you push my, yes, don't push the chest, lift the chin up, right? So now we're gonna play with this concept, no striking now. So grab and work, you can see if you can, you see, you're working on my chest again. Why would you do that? Find a way to lift the chin up. There you go. Get it? That's your drill. Play. Work. Lift head.